So this is just the recap for live stream 35, I believe, and also this recap we're going to cover a few more things here. We're going to cover lost accounts, and we'll do the weekly review as a separate video, but the purpose of this video is to cover the lost accounts, trading off stream, and a few other issues that we encountered today. So let's just have a look. So let's be sure. So it is day 41 and live stream 35. That's what's covered. So on live stream 35, we started off okay. Started trading around the open. We're up 504. Rather than quit, we continued through this area here. We kept trying to short the 77 level, buy it and short it, so we got chopped up quite a bit. Eventually we came back positive, about 138 away from our highs. I suppose we should bring up our trade performance here. Just give me a second here. So here we are. So we came back positive just there. Wanted to continue to grow further than that, and we ended up losing quite a bit, and from there I think I ended the stream and continued to trade off stream and ended up into a bigger hole here, much bigger than when we lost the account. So the only positive is the risk limits put in. The risk limits in terms of order size and position size, those helped us along a little bit, but I didn't have a risk limit on the account, and as you can see, it drew down a fair bit. So the issue I encountered with the strategy, again, adding new strategies, doing things that aren't part of the plan through here, and the strategy I was using, which is I've called H, had some difficulty through this period here, which was about an hour after the market open, due to the 4-hour difference due to time daylight savings. I had some difficulties here, and those frustrations led to even more bad outcomes. So let's just have a look at the overall day. Lost quite a few accounts today, actually, because after this account was lost, I had another account and that was also lost. With that one, I didn't put risk limits on, so let's just have a look here. No, it doesn't work. So that was a day analysis. There we were. Managed to draw all the way down per 30 minutes. So that would have been 10 a.m. 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Here's the difficult period historically, 11 to 12:30, and Again, when trading through that period, and again lost now. That period seems to be very consistent for me in terms of losing. And if we show all the accounts that were lost today, all of the accounts through the chop we saw today, it's a good thing these are simulation accounts. But you see, very big losing day. So we had some gross profits here, but as you can see, those are gross losses. Those are commissions, negative profit factor, 50% win rate, average trade, so average loser bigger than average winner by a factor of 2, greater than 2 actually, almost 3. And max consecutive winners 12, max consecutive losses 11. Largest loss is half the size. No, largest win is half the size of largest loss. Get the analysis. Go to the analysis page. Change it from. Here we are. As you can see, that 10:30 a.m. period was very difficult, and at 11 until 12 again a very difficult period. So then again, some of these are being copy traded, so a lot of them are double what the previous ones were. Look at the trades. You see losers all the way down here, winners not to that size. And if we look at the cumulative net, you can see we're positive here. Again, we started off positive and we drew down massively. Okay, we had a bit of a pullback here. A bit of a pullback there, but as you can see, continued to fall as the day went on. So let's have a look here. So within the first hour, would have been net down, but not by that much. Would have been down, but by only a small amount relative. We need to have a look at the lifetime of these accounts. When I do a lost account, some lost account analysis here. Let's see. And interesting. So if you have a look at one of the accounts here, before actually losing it, you can see started a little bit negative, ramped up nearly vertical here, growing the account to a peak above 6. Wow, a peak above 6 before drawing it all the way down. So we ramped the account up massively over a fairly short period of time, and after that we've drawn it down. So let's just have a look here. So on the summary page, Got a positive profit factor, just under 50%. Largest win bigger than largest loss, that's what we want to see. Average win bigger than average loss, that's what we want to see. So let's just have a look. Where were most of these with daylight savings? It's going to be difficult. Where were the net positives? So he's going to say 2. Well, that's I assume this is to do with daylight savings. Again, net negative, we're looking at the 11 a.m. period. 12. Surprising. Okay, so again that 11 until 12 period, and also 10:30. So 10:30 to 12:30 seemed to be the most difficult period. Most of our gains came at about 10 a.m. based on our entry time. It's interesting. Those were our gains. Let's see. When were they? See, the 21st. The 21st, when we are at our peak balance. And we went on the run between. It's around about 21st. It's interesting. Should have been Thursday after FOMC. Oh, I remember that. Oh, I know. This is showing too many accounts. No, it's not. What's going on? I wonder. Did I lose an account? Not sure why. Well, the most important thing, of course, is we have had a look at the time period that has cost us the most in terms of outcomes. We'll look at our account here for the month of March so far, across all the accounts, several lost accounts. You can see net gains, negative risk reward, average trade, average winner, smaller than average loser, largest win, it's bigger than the largest loss, max consecutive 83 winners. I'm not sure why that is. Oh, that probably was that period. I had a period where, I had a period last week where I was trading very well. Let's go back to the analysis page, half an hour, net negative, 12 a.m. or 12 in the afternoon, 11:30, 11. This was after lunch. It's 2:30, 2 p.m. I think I'm negative. So 1:30 is my most successful. 1 p.m. That'll be about 10 a.m. maybe. With the time zones. Yeah, it will be 10 a.m. So I seem to have the best performance 1 p.m. 1 p.m. and 30 minutes after the open. That's where I have my best performance. Let's see, day of week. Wednesdays and Thursdays my worst days. Hmm. 1 p.m. Okay. Something to think about. Yeah, something to think about. Let's see if anything changes if we include February. Look at that outlier right there. Seems all the data is crashing NinjaTrader. So there's the net from February. Negative profit factor, quite a lot of commissions, average winner smaller than average loser, largest win smaller than largest loss. This loss was holding on to a trade, not willing to give it up. Analysis, cumulative net, see we're positive, just been drawing down ever since really. A brief pullback here, just been drawing down. Oh no, I don't want to see all those trades. Go back to the analysis page, look at the half an hour, worst performance 12, second worst performance 11:30. Best performance 1 p.m. 1:30 around the open. Seems to be around the open actually. So it seems my best performance is around 1 p.m. and I'm really negative around 10:30 a.m. to 12:30. That's interesting to know. Very significant levels here. Okay. Yeah, so we'll wrap it up there. Clearly don't have an edge between 11 and 12:30. Probably even include 10:30 there. But those were the lost accounts. And that was the day today, so not sure if I will continue using H as a strategy, although I shouldn't be strategy hopping as much as I do, but don't think I'll use it. Let's just see. Definitely need to look at filtering out a bit more as well. Definitely need to look at filtering a bit more, because I keep coming to the market. Regardless of the time of day, and trade in a very bad way, so I'm going to call it quits here. I think we'll of course come back with videos. We'll reset this account here and see what we do, if we can make some headways into this whole trading thing. But that's pretty much it. We'll just wrap it up right there for the recap and the lost account summary.